The council is divided. We cannot wait. What do we tell the people? Your Highness, someone has just freed the great assassin of Moji, Kalika. It is true, Your Highness. Kalika is free. What? Did I hear you say free? Who must have done such a thing? This means we are all doomed. Even the Oba. Why was I not informed about this sooner? Hurry! Summon the warriors of Buni immediately and inform Chief Osagi at once.
There will be no need to summon the warriors. The traitor who freed Kalika is within this palace. I know who did it.